Welcome to SAKmods. Today I've got a 91mm build for you. I got most of the parts for this one from multitool.org in a surprise giveaway box. There was a bag of 91mm tools and I just grabbed a few of them to build this. There was a lot of liners in there too, so I got some liners from that. Had to clean them up a bit. Some of the tools were a little tarnished. Cleaned them up. So let's get into it. We'll start on the back tools here first. We've got the awl. The multi-purpose hook. The small slotted screwdriver there. And the Phillips screwdriver. This is the older version that has a file on the back. The spring for this is the one for the large and small blade. It's a little weak so that screwdriver doesn't snap closed, but the blades do. Alright, let's get on this side here. We've got the can opener with the small slotted screwdriver tip there. We've got the bottle cap opener with the wire stripper and large slotted tip screwdriver. Got the scissor, the plier that also has the wire cutter right there in the middle, we've got the wood saw, got the large blade here. This is an older one. It's got the Victoria stamping on there. I think these were, or this blade is from the 1950s to 1970s, somewhere in there. It is a bit thicker than the 91mm blades nowadays, just a tiny bit. And then the small blade, which is a clip point blade. I did put some plus scales on this one. So you've got the tweezer, the pin, and the toothpick. Cool thing about the pin, you can put it underneath the multi-purpose hook, which makes it a lot easier to use. Right. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. I want to thank the generous folks over at multitool.org that pretty much made this one happen. I want to thank my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, I am doing a giveaway for once I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away one of my mods, so don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.